The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs in your body that filter waste and excess fluid from your blood. As the blood flows through the kidneys, it goes through tiny filters called nephrons that remove urea, minerals, and fluids, allowing clean blood to circulate around the body again. Keeping your kidneys healthy is incredibly important, as kidney disease can be life-threatening if left untreated. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is the gradual loss of kidney function over time. In the early stages, there often aren't any symptoms, which is why regular checkups are vital to catch kidney issues early. As CKD progresses, it can lead to complete kidney failure, where dialysis or a kidney transplant are the only treatment options. Some common causes of kidney disease include high blood pressure, diabetes, genetic disorders, and autoimmune diseases. However, your diet and lifestyle also play a major role in kidney health. Eating certain antioxidant-rich fruits regularly may help remove waste from your blood and reduce strain on your kidneys. Here are 10 of the best fruits to cleanse your kidneys. Number 1. Cranberries. Cranberries are a kidney-cleansing superfood due to their high antioxidant content. They contain quinic acid, hippuric acid, vitamin C, vitamin E, and vitamin K, which all support kidney function. Cranberries also help prevent bacteria from sticking to urinary tract walls, preventing urinary tract infections, one of the main causes of kidney infections. Drink cranberry juice or eat them dried, frozen, or fresh to protect kidney health. Number 2. Blueberries. Blueberries contain plant compounds called anthocyanins that possess powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. They help protect the kidneys from toxicity and free radical damage. In one study of 11 people, eating blueberries for a month significantly reduced oxidized blood pressure and inflammation markers. The participants' blood and urine antioxidant levels also increased. The findings suggest blueberries boost kidney function by reducing damage caused to cells. Number 3. Beetroot. Beetroot is packed with antioxidants and vasodilators that help relax your blood vessels, increasing blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Long-term high blood pressure is one of the main risk factors for kidney disease, as it damages the sensitive blood vessels in the kidneys. A 2012 study also found beetroot juice protects kidneys from toxicity and can help slow the progression of renal diseases. The kidney cleansing effects come from betalain pigments like betanin and vulgixanthin. Number 4. Apples. Apples are a super healthy fruit full of fiber, vitamin C, antioxidants, and various trace minerals. A study on women with mildly reduced kidney function found that eating around 75 grams of apple per day for a month significantly lowered levels of urea nitrogen, creatinine, and uric acid compared to baseline kidney function tests. This suggests compounds in apples have beneficial effects on kidney health parameters. Apples also make urine more alkaline, further helping flush toxins. Number 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruit is rich in antioxidants like naringin and vitamin C, which protects kidneys from oxidative damage and inflammation. It also contains hesperidin, shown to help prevent kidney stones by reducing excess calcium and oxalates in urine. A 2012 study found people who consumed the most flavonoids, found abundantly in citrus fruits like grapefruit, had a much lower risk for developing kidney disease than those with the lowest intake over a 14-year period. 6. Grapes. The antioxidant resveratrol found in grapes may offer protective effects for kidney health. Animal studies using resveratrol have found improvements in kidney function, reducing waste filtering through the kidneys by up to 55% after induced kidney damage. Grapes also contain quercetin, which has strong anti-inflammatory effects in kidneys damaged by toxins. To boost kidney cleansing, drink Concord grape juice and eat red or purple grapes with seeds, where resveratrol content is highest. 7. Cherries. Cherries are packed full of antioxidants like anthocyanins and vitamin C. They help improve kidney function by lowering inflammation and protecting against oxidative kidney cell damage from free radicals. One study found consuming cherry powder for 3 days prior to intensive exercise reduced kidney damage markers significantly compared to athletes given a placebo powder. Researchers concluded cherries activated antioxidant defense systems in the kidneys to prevent damage when under strain. 8. Lemons. Lemons contain the compound limonene, which protects kidneys from toxicity through different mechanisms. Research has found it prevents kidney stone formation, reduces waste reabsorption, and helps fight infection to support kidney health. The citric acid in lemons also helps naturally break down small kidney stones over time, easing their passage out of the body. The vitamin C further boosts antioxidant levels to limit inflammation and kidney damage. Number 9. Strawberries. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, manganese, and beneficial plant compounds linked to kidney health like pelargonidin. They help reduce acid load in kidneys, lowering workload on these vital organs. A diet high in foods that cause acid load like meat is linked to higher kidney disease risk. The anthocyanins in strawberries also possess antioxidant effects, preventing oxidation of LDL and cell membrane lipids, one of the first stages in kidney damage. Number 10. Watermelon. Watermelon is one of the best fruits for hydration, and juicing can make an incredibly cleansing drink. It contains citrulline, an amino acid that helps make ammonia in the kidneys more soluble, easing its removal from the body and reducing strain. Watermelon is also high lycopene, another powerful antioxidant that accumulates in kidney tissues. One study found taking lycopene supplements for just 1 month significantly boosted antioxidant activity in kidneys, vital for reducing damage from free radicals. Kidney disease is complicated, dangerous, and life-threatening if left untreated. While genetics and medical conditions play a role, diet is one of the main modifiable risk factors under your control. Making sure to stay adequately hydrated and limiting intake of alcohol, processed foods high sodium is vital for kidney health. Eating more fresh, whole fruits packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber safeguards kidney function by reducing inflammation, stopping nutrient loss, and lowering acid load. They help ease the burden on your kidneys by supporting detoxification and waste removal too. Cranberries, blueberries, cherries, grapes, and lemons are particularly beneficial as they flush toxins and help prevent kidney infections. Following an overall balanced diet focused on kidney support ensures your kidneys stay healthy for life. Your kidneys act as filters for your entire system, so looking after them has major impacts on energy, aging, muscle strength, and heart health. Catching kidney disease early is vital too, so be sure to monitor kidney function with annual checkups to avoid complications. Left untreated, kidney disease progresses to chronic kidney failure, which may eventually require dialysis or a kidney transplant simply in order to survive. So in summary, berries, citrus fruits, and cherries are the best for cleansing kidneys due to their high antioxidant content. Apples, beets, grapes, and watermelon also boost kidney health in different ways by reducing acid load, improving hydration, or lowering inflammation. Focus on eating at least 3 to 5 portions spread throughout each day for optimal results, either snacking on these fruits or blending into juices and smoothies. I hope this video explained kidney health and how you can start incorporating more kidney-friendly fruits into your diet today. Eating plenty of fresh, whole fruits daily keeps kidneys cleansed while staying hydrated, and avoiding high-sodium foods lessens their workload. Let me know in the comments below if you have any other kidney or fruit-related video requests. Please like this video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe and hit notifications so you never miss a future upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.